Good evening to you. We continue to track this light rain moving from southwest to northeast. There's a moderate shower right now, mainly north of Manhattan from Westmoreland over to Randolph and Leonardville up to about just south of Washington through the Barnes area and then around Clay Center and east from there, southeast almost to Wakefield. Then the heavier showers off to the east are mainly in Jefferson, Atchison, Leavenworth County on up towards St. Joseph, Missouri. Dry weather will move in, but it has been showery throughout the day, and you can see how wet it is. Parking lots and roads still all wet. Up north in Mayetta from our Prairie Band Casino weather cam, highways are wet, but again, the rain is starting to let up after picking up an additional half-inch of rainfall today. Started out at 33, warmed up to 49, and we're back down to a significant amount of ice over the northwestern counties. For those of us in Manhattan and Topeka and Emporia, we look at this and over pretty much all the surrounding areas, we look and think of this as a complete rain that came through with just very minor amounts of ice. That is not the case. You get from about Clay Center to Marysville and west from there, it has been quite icy, and we have had a lot of accumulation. Some areas exceeding a half-inch of ice, but most coming in that quarter to half-inch range in that region. And then farther east, completely different story with mild temperatures in place with southerly winds. But here comes this cool push on the backside of the system. Northwest winds will come in at about 5 to 15, already dropping the wind chill to 24 at Marysville and Concordia. 30s over the eastern counties right now, but a look at future track wind chill by 10 o'clock, teens and low 20s, falling back into the upper teens north and low 20s early tomorrow morning, but we should climb back up a little bit higher into the 20s and 30s for a wind chill throughout the daytime tomorrow. Actual air temperatures, though, may make it into the low 40s for a few spots. Again, a look at those showers west, but primarily to the east and northeast. All of this is part of a system that's moving out of the state. We're starting to see drier conditions, even some breaks in the clouds from Wichita westward, but that may fill back in for a while tonight as this whole storm system, you can kind of see the whole wrapped up nature of it here, continues to push over toward the Great Lakes. And once it moves out of our area, it's going to take a little while, but we should start to see some clearing. Look at that on future track. The cloud cover hanging on for most of the night, maybe a sprinkle or a flurry here and there, but most of the area will stay mostly cloudy tonight. It's very stubborn cloud cover. It tries to hold on, but I think we'll see some breaks in those clouds as we head through the day tomorrow. And certainly as we head into Wednesday, any returning clouds will lift on out. We'll finally see a little bit more of a sunnier weather pattern ahead of us. Tonight, 29, mostly cloudy, northwest breeze, kind of chilly with a wind chill dipping down in the upper teens and low 20s by tomorrow morning. We'll look at your KSNT Storm Track 7-day forecast. 42 tomorrow, 55 Wednesday, and 58 by Thursday. Slight chance of a shower on Friday, still in the 50s. Breezy and in the 50s on Saturday, but a better chance for rain. Looks like it'll move in Saturday night into Sunday. If it comes in the night, may mix with a few snowflakes, but right now it looks like mainly a chance for some rain showers as we head into the second half of next weekend. And then dry weather should return once again on Monday. I mentioned earlier the northwestern portion of the viewing area looks quite a bit different. That's what the ground looks like in Baileyville from Penny Hazenkamp. So a lot more kind of crusting of ice, getting about 1/3 of an inch there, and had reports of closer to an inch of ice in parts of southern Cloud County. And then it just got even worse as you head through central into western Kansas.
Right. Well, with what you just forecasted, whether it was going to be more ice or more rain, I'm sure people are going to take the rain any day, Matt.
That's the thing. It's like, you never look at what happened out there and wished it happened here. We're just thankful we missed.
Absolutely. Thank you, Matt.